Why am I all of a sudden watching y'all stuff? Oh yeah, I've seen some of this. Reactors like s'mores. I didn't see that ketamine. Why you got me looking like that? I don't. I don't know why you got me looking like that though. But yeah, I know what you're talking about. I didn't
Well,
I
let's
I didn't see this. Let me see. Hold on.
let's do it, shall we?
Let me see it. Oh my god, Flying Shark. Like when he does stuff like that, yeah. Hold on. What video is this? With the big box. What am I unboxing? Oh, that's an old ass that's an old ass video. It's my glasses. That's an old ass video. What am I unboxing? That's very kind of you to say Ratcheness or Ratchet Noble Wolf because that's what I go by nowadays. That's very kind of you to do that. But you know, obviously everybody knows me as Ratcheness, but no, I mean I'm Noble Wolf today, so I just put it together, Ratchet Noble Wolf.
Ketamine, a hydrochloride tranquilizer used in veterinary practice for the sedation of animals and reptiles.
Oh, trippy. Ah, the boy Gummy. It's gonna be weird when I react to MLP again. Y'all see.
Injected intravenously to induce physiopathic paralysis.
Oh my lord.
Effects in humans.
Damn, that's some. You saw that string? That's a sticky ass s'more.
In powdered form. Extreme state of euphoria. Hallucinations.
Oh, come on.
Experiences.
Come on.
Dangers.
I'm not that
seizures,
overweight.
Psychosis. Permanent loss of senses.
Yeah. I remember that video.
And even death.
Look at me. You had that gaming, you had that dancing video. I had that, yeah, I did that.
Conclusion.
Yeah.
It is for horses, you dumb motherfuckers.
Yeah. Look at Alex. So you're taking all of our clips, the crazy things that we did. Lord. Look at Pinus like her. Hold on. Look at this thing. No. Oh my god. Look at them. Let's get crunk. That's exactly what it looked like. Oh yeah, there I go.
That is for horses, you dumb motherfucker.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Yeah. I haven't made a video like that in years. Alex like a dance, yo. Alex like a dance. Yeah. This is good. This editing is off the chain. I remember it, yeah. I need to do that. I need to do a video like that again. That's wild. Pac Div. This is old. For the record, y'all, that was sugar. That wasn't what you thought it was. That Applejack was off the chain. I'm glad I watched that one. I saw some of your s'mores though. I didn't see this. It's ketamine. That was good. Age restricted. Y'all gonna get me in trouble. Oh no! I don't know. Hopefully YouTube don't trip. Because YouTube might ban my live stream when I'm done after this now. Cause it did that when I edited Ruby live. I didn't see this one. I need to edit some videos.